Hi everyone, welcome back again. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can place an image or a print on a object. Okay, here the object is a pillow. On this pillow, we want to place this image. Okay, I have an image of Pikachu. So let's have a look. First of all, I'm gonna select the object selection tool. So I click on it, and you can see I've selected the pillow very properly, but you can see some areas are not covered. If you see, zoom in, I can go to the object selection tool brush and I can see here. So I'm gonna make the size very small, and as I want to add here, so we are going to add some part here. So let's have a look. Okay. Okay, I think this is enough for it. I'm gonna zoom out and you go to the selection tool and you can see that the pillow is being selected. Now pick up the, first of all, what you need to do is you need to create a separate layer. So press Ctrl plus J and you get a separate layer. As you can see here, layer 2. And I'm going to pick up the Pikachu image now and place it here. And okay, now press Ctrl plus T because we want to transform. I want to wrap this Pikachu. So first of all, I'm gonna unselect it, move it here. I can, like expand it a little bit. So this is how I want to place. Click on done. Now we press Ctrl plus T. So first of all, you go to the opacity and reduce it so that you can see, like where the pillow is, all the edges of the pillow. So you can see here. Match with the edges. It will properly match. And now you can reduce it a little bit. Make sure you know that the pillow area is not exposed. So for example, when I'm moving this section, the pillow is getting exposed. Okay, so I'm gonna make it like this. Okay, I think this is perfect. I'm gonna go back to the opacity and make the opacity 100%. And then after that, you right click on this and you click on create clipping mask. Okay, once this is done, now it's properly around the edges. Okay, now after this, I'm going to go to the normal section, and you can go to multiply also. This also looks good, or you can go to lean burn. I like lean burn, so I'm going for that. Then after that, you can also go to FX section and go to blending options and press the Alt key and you can blend this up. So it makes it, like a bit more shiny, like, so it's up to you, like how much you want. I like this much, and here I want to, if I increase the current layer section, you can see here, then the color become more faded. Okay, so I'm gonna go for this one. I like I like this one, and click on OK. And now we can do a little zoom out, and you can see now your image is properly placed on the shape, right? So you can, experiment with this. You can try with some other objects also. Okay. I hope you have liked this tutorial. You have learned something new. And if you like this tutorial, please share with your friends and like and subscribe and comment below what other things you want to learn in editing. Okay. And I will come up with that tutorial. Okay. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.